from the infinite intelligence. Treat it with respect. Now listen to these words carefully. Treat it with respect. This is a message from infinite intelligence. Treat it with respect and act upon it as soon as possible, because if you don't do it, failure to do this will be fatal to your success. If you don't take action on that, then the sentence, what is the sentence? If you fail to do it, it is fatal to your success. You will not be able to achieve that success because infinite intelligence has already given you the plan. See yourself rendering the service. See yourself now following that plan, rendering the service, and delivering that particular product or merchandise or service you intend to give in return for the money. Right? And this is very, very important. Taking action. It is like the infinite intelligence has served the plate. All the dishes are there. It has been served in front of you. Now, infinite intelligence is asking you to move your hands and to take that food to your mouth. And if you are not doing that, and if you're just thinking that, why should I do it? Then you will be hungry forever. Right? So now we are going to create this visualization of the subconscious. So I want you to close your eyes for some time, okay? For a few minutes, just 2 or 3 minutes, and just absorb all the words I'm going to say to you. Go to some quiet place. This is the first step now. First step of giving order to your subconscious. Go to some quiet spot. I hope that you are already in the quiet spot. And make sure that you do this exercise every day, immediately as you wake up in the morning, and every day when you go to bed, where you will not be disturbed. Close your eyes and repeat aloud so that you can hear your own words. The written statement of the amount of money you intend to accumulate. Now visualize that written statement, the time limit for this accumulation, and a description of the service or product you intend to give in return of the money. Now see yourself already in possession of this money. Suppose that you intend to accumulate rupees 1 crore or anything by the first date of the month, like April 1. Imagine and see yourself giving that personal service or product in return for the money, in the role of a salesman. Now look at yourself and imagine yourself as a salesman. Why? Because whatever you are selling, your product, your merchandise, your service, you are in the role of a salesman at that time. Visualize while I say these words. By the first day of whatever month you have written in your goal card, I see myself in the possession of the amount of money what you have already manifested in your dream card, or you have written in your dream card, goal card, which will come to me in various amounts from time to time during the interim. This money can come to me through various sources apart from my primary source of income. I have this primary source of income, but I see that this money is coming to me through different other sources. Maybe investments, fixed deposits, unexpected profits, unexpected gain, gifts, or any other source. In return of this money, I give the most efficient service of which I am capable, rendering the fullest possible quantity and the best possible quality. And that too in the capacity of salesman of this service or product. I believe that selling is service. And when I am selling my service or product, the other person is immensely benefited. I am happy to see that my service or my product has added a lot of value to this person's life. I believe that I will have this money in my possession. My faith is so strong that I can now see the money before my eyes. I can touch it. I can feel it. I can feel the number of this money on my passbook, in my bank account, and on my app, on my mobile. It is now awaiting transfer to me at the time. This money is awaiting for me, and it is coming to me in the proportion that I deliver the service I intend to render in return for it. So from today, I'm going to increase the quantity and quality of my service so that in the exchange of my service, quantity and quality, this money comes back to me. I am awaiting a plan. Universe, I am awaiting a plan by which to accumulate this money, and I'll follow that plan when it is received. I promise you that I will follow this plan as soon as I receive this through in my inspiration, through intuitive guidance or inner guidance. Yes, I believe. I believe. I believe. I certainly believe in the message of the universe. I certainly believe in my intuitive power and in the inspiration. Now, visualize yourself. See yourself having that eureka moment, having that wow moment. When you get a plan, when you get a message from the universe, you start working upon it immediately. As soon as you receive this plan, you are extremely happy. You feel as if some burden has been relieved. You feel light. You feel empowered. You feel as if these rays of the sun are filling your mind and body with burning desire and passion for carrying out this plan. You're very happy and grateful for this newfound energy to take action and to start working on this plan. You're very happy, excited, and joyful to start working again with renewed energy and enthusiasm. And as you are going ahead, following this plan, you get to see that money. You are joyful, you are happy, you are fulfilled that it is real. You can see that your dream has already come into reality. You are very happy, and you are now remembering to pay your heartfelt gratitude. Thank you, universe, for this manifestation. Now I believe that dreams do come true. Wow, I am truly mesmerized by this journey. Thank you for this divine power. Thank you for the blessings, and thank you for always supporting me in whichever way. I'm happy to see myself already in possession of this money. And now I can do all those things that I had planned to do with this money. Now imagine yourself using this money for any particular purpose for the next 30 seconds. Now slowly you can open your eyes. Make sure that you repeat this program every night before you go to bed and every morning as soon as you wake up in the morning. You don't require any tool, anything. You need to just remember to do this exercise every night, every morning, until you can see in your imagination the money you intend to accumulate. In the initial times, it will be difficult for you to imagine that money in your possession. But if you are persistent with this practice, you will be able to have full faith in possession of this money. And when that will happen, very soon you will find that money in your possession in the physical world. Now, step number 3 is place a written copy of this statement where you can see it night and morning. You can make 2 copies of your goal card. One copy at your bedside under your pillow, other copy when you wake up in the morning, come out of the room. So whatever place you look at first, you can keep it there. Read it just before retiring and upon arising until it has been memorized by your brain. These instructions may seem abstract. You may find that this is meaningless, this is useless. सिर्फ बोलने से सोचने से क्या होता है? Yes, yeah, of course, I understand you might have some doubt, but do not let this disturb you. Follow this process no matter what. Follow this process even if you don't believe in it, because how impractical it may seem, however impractical it may seem, but it may appear as if this doesn't work, but if you believe first, it will show you the proof. It will show you the proof. The time will come when, if you do as it has been instructed in this process, if you train your spirit, if you train your body to think like this, as well as you act on it, a whole universe of power will unfold to you. The whole divine universe of power will start supporting you. Suddenly, you will feel that I am getting luckier and luckier day by day. This is not just an affirmation. You will start believing in this, right? And if you follow this, your skepticism will also disappear. Your negativity will go away, and you will be faithful. Your self confidence will go up. Your self esteem will go up, and then your this fear, your self doubt will be converted into absolute faith. Absolute faith. Soon you will truly say, I am the master of my fate. You will truly say from your heart that I am the master of my fate. And this is what we are going to achieve in this journey. Become the master of your fate. Create your own luck. Master your destiny. Design your life. Live your life by design, not by default. If whenever you feel that your life is not supporting you, whenever you feel that the incidents or situations are pulling me down, I am in a very bad phase of life, मेरे लाइफ में कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, open this recording and listen to it. It will increase your faith, it will boost your self-confidence, it will fill you with more and more power. Do it consistently and see the little magics unfolding into your life. So even if your big goal is not materializing in the near future, like 1 month's time, but I guarantee you that there will be many little magics every day. I want you to notice that little magic and make a note of it in your journal. So see you tomorrow with a beautiful concept of auto suggestion, and let's see how we can use it in practical life.